Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 2, Exponents. Okay, in this chapter we'll discuss some laws of exponents to the negative exponents. To simplify the expression using the different laws of exponents, means there will be some expressions and we have to implement the laws of exponents, and then we can simplify or verify the expressions. Okay, and then we'll discuss to express very small numbers using powers with the negative exponents. Okay, these two will discuss in exercise 2.1, and this will discuss in the exercise 2.2. Okay, now look here, this is your second chapter. Okay, first of all I want to tell you what do you mean by exponents. The exponents corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. Number of times the base is used as a factor. Suppose this is your example. Okay, 10 raised to power 24. This is your 10 and this is 24. This 10 is your base and 24 is your exponent. Whichever the number is given in the power, that is a exponent. Okay, suppose example is 2 raised to power 2. How you will calculate 2 raised to power 2? 2 raised to power 2 means you have to multiply 2 by 2 times. Okay, 3 raised to power 2, it means 3 you have to multiply with 2 times. 3 raised to power 3 means you have to multiply 3 by 3 times. Okay, so what will be the answer here? 2 raised to power 2 answer will be 4. 3 raised to power 2 answer will be 9. 3 raised to power 3 answer will be 27. Okay, so by this example you can means define the statement of the exponent, that the exponent corresponds to the number of times the base is used as a factor. This is your base. How many times we are using this base as a factor, this is your exponent. Clear? By this definition and with these examples. Okay, you have to learn the definition, you have to revise the formula with the examples, okay, from your book in your practice notebook. So in this question, how we can define this term? We can say that 10 raised to the power 24. 10 raised to the power 24. Okay, if anybody will say you how we can read this statement, so we'll say 10 raised to the power 24. Okay, now suppose I'm having some examples. Now look here, these are some examples how you can simplify the power. Okay, if any suppose 10 is your base. Okay, we can take anything in the base. Suppose 2 is there in the base, here 3 is there in the base, and exponent is this 2, 2, 3. Okay, now 10 raised to power 2. Okay, what do you mean by this? It means 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. 10 raised to power 1 means 10. Okay, if any number the raised to power 1 is there, okay, then that answer will be that number itself. Okay, next is important. 10 raised to power 0. What do you mean by this? If anything given you in the form of this, okay, the power, the exponent is 0. Any number, any base raised to power 0, the answer will always equal to 1. Okay, this is very, very important. And now next is also important, 10 raised to power minus 1. What do you mean by this? If any number given to you and the raised to power given you is in the minus form, okay, then your answer will be that number will go in the reciprocal. 1 raised to power 10, sorry, 1 divided by 10. Okay, 10 raised to power 1 is that number itself. 10 raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. You can take anything, 2 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 0, 4 raised to power 0, answer will be 1. Okay, now 10 raised to power minus 1 is 1 divided by 10. So from this last example we can say that a raised to power minus m. A is any base, m is your any exponent. Okay, if it is there in the minus form, answer will be 1 divided by a raised to power 10, a raised to power m, like I have written here. Okay, this is the same formula. So this you have to learn This formula you have to learn it, that a raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to power m. Okay. Now the next topic is laws of exponents. Okay. There are total 6 laws of exponents. Okay. Now first law is a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. When base is same and exponents are different, then the law will be a raised to power m plus n. Your base will be same and your exponents are different. Okay, so that will go in addition. If it is given in the multiply, that will go in the form of addition. Okay, suppose this is your example, 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. So answer will be, we'll write 2 one time. Okay, once we'll write 2, base will write only one time, and then power exponents will go in the form of addition. It is equal to 2 raised to power 3 plus 4, 2 raised to power 7. This is your example. Okay, the next is a raised to power m multiply b raised to power m. It is equal to, when base are different. Okay, now powers are same, exponents are same. So we'll write here a multiplied by b, ab, and raised to power m. Okay, because exponents are same, so we'll write only one time, that is m. Okay, suppose 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. Now base are different, so we'll write 2 multiplied by 3, and in the bracket raised to power we'll write 3 only one time. Okay, because it is same. So it is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 raised to power 3. Okay, now next third law is a raised to power m again raised to power n. Okay, so that will be equal to a raised to power m n. M n means m multiplied by n. Here m and n means m multiplied by n. Okay, so 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4, that is equal to 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 4. So 2 raised to power 12, that is 3 4s are 12. Okay, now your next fourth law is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. That is equal to, because now base is same, now powers are different, so we'll write here a raised to power m minus n. When the law is there in the form of division, when they are in division, we'll write here subtraction. When they are in multiplication, we'll write here addition. Here also base are same, here also base are same. Powers are different, that is in the form of multiplication, so we'll write here in the form of addition. It is in the form of division, so we'll write here in the form of subtraction. Okay, suppose 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 2, that is equal to 2 raised to power 3 minus 2. Okay, when it is in the form of division, that will go in the subtraction. That exponent will go in the form of subtraction, so that is equal to 2 raised to power 1. And you know very well 2 raised to power 1 means 2. Okay, answer is 2 only. Fifth law is a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. So that is equal to, now base are different. Okay, exponents are same, so we'll write here a divided by b raised to power m. One time only. Okay, because base is same, so we'll write here one time, that is common, exponent is m. Okay, suppose this is your example, 3 raised to power 3 and 4 raised to power 3. Okay, so that is equal to 3 divided by 4 raised to power 3. Okay, now last sixth law is a raised to power 0, that is equal to 1. I've told you earlier, if any base is there, any number is given to you and the power is exponent is given you 0, that will be equal to 1. Okay, and this value will never ever equal to 0. Okay, this value shouldn't be equal to 0, that is, you can take any value 1 2 3 up to infinity. Okay, but this should not be 0. This power, if this power exponent is 0, answer will be 1. Suppose 2 raised to power 0, answer will be 1. 3 raised to power 0, answer is 1. 5 raised to power 0, answer is 1. 10 raised to power 0, answer is 1. Okay, so this is the explanation before the exercise 2.1. Okay, what do you mean by exponent? How we can write exponent in the form of like the value is given, I have told you here. Okay, if it is the power is in the form of 1, it is in the form of 0, it is in the form of minus, then how you can denote it, how you can write it. Okay, after this we have discussed some laws of exponents. Okay, now after this there are some examples in your book. Example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all are based upon the things I have told you. Okay, how to write the power, how to open the exponent. Okay, then how you can apply the laws in the form of questions. Okay, after these all examples you have to do a written practice in your practice notebook. Okay, if any doubt will be there, you can discuss your doubt with me. Okay, now after this we're going to start our next exercise 2.1. So now I'm going to start exercise 2.1. Okay, question number 1. Write the following in the exponential form. Use negative exponents. Means these all are given you in the form of division. Okay, and I have told you that if the value is given you in division, that will go in the negative exponent. If it is given you in the negative exponent, then it will go in the reciprocal, or if it is given in the form of this reciprocal form, then the exponent will go in the form of negative exponent. Okay, so this we have to do in the question number 1. Okay, now here is the question number 1, part number A. Write the following in the exponential form. A part is 1 upon 3, 1, 2, 5. You have to take prime factorization method first of all. You have to apply this prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means LCM method. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 5. Okay, it will go on 5 table. 5 6 then 5 2 10, then 5 5 25. Now 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 5 25, 5 2 10, 5 5 25, 5 5 5 1. How many times 5 is coming? 1 2 3 4 5. So it means 5 is coming 5 times. So we'll write in the form of 5 raised to power 5. Okay, this I have written answer of this LCM. Okay, now come to the question. Question is 1 upon 3 1 to 5. So how we can write 1 upon this 3 1 to 5 is 5 raised to power 5. So I am writing here 5 raised to power 5. 5 raised to power 5 means 5 is coming 5 times. Okay, so if any number is in the form of reciprocal, so that power will go in the form of minus. So it will be equal to 5 raised to power minus 5, because I've told you one law is there that a raised to power minus m, that is always equal to 1 upon a raised to power m, or it is equal, or 1 upon a raised to power m is given, so that will be equal to a raised to power minus m. So this is your answer. Okay, clear? It is very simple. So next question is B part is 1 upon 5 1 2. Okay, again take the prime factorization of this. Okay, by prime factorization method. So you have to, it will go on 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are, again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, 2 8s are. Okay, so it will go on 2 table. This is the LCM. Okay, you have done LCM in the previous grades also. Okay, so here 2 is coming 9 times. Okay, so I'm going to write here 1 upon 5 1 2 means 1 upon 2 raised to power 9. Okay, so 2 raised to power minus 9 is the answer. If we'll open it, if we'll remove the reciprocal, because we have to take the answer in the form of negative exponents. Okay, so if we remove the reciprocal, so this power will go in the form of minus. Okay, it will go in exponent as a negative exponent. Clear? When you will solve this question number 1, you have to show this prime factorization also, and then you have to write in this way. Okay, like the way I'm writing, you have to write in the same manner in your fair notebook. Okay, and in your test. C part is 1 upon 3 3 7 5. Again we'll apply prime factorization method. Okay, so it will go on 3 table first of all 3 times, then it will go on 5 table 5 times. Okay, the LCM method, I know you all students, you know this LCM method. Okay, If you will have any query, then see how ma'am has done the LCM, how ma'am has taken the LCM. Okay, now I'm writing here according to the question. Question is 3375. So 1 upon 3375 means 3 is coming 3 times, 3 raised to power 3, and 5 is coming 5 times. So multiply by 5 raised to power 3. Okay, so when I'll open it, I'll remove this reciprocal. So 3, it will go at 3 raised to power minus 3, multiply by 5 raised to power minus 3. That's it. This is your answer. Okay, now your last D part is 1 upon 1,2,0,0,5,0,0. Okay, again we'll take by prime factorization method. We'll open this value in the form of LCM. 2 6 then 00, then 2 2 2 5 0. Okay, so in this way it will go on 2 table 2 times, in 5 table 3 times, then 7 table 4 times. Okay, check. You can do the LCM by on, and then you can match with me how the ma'am has done. Okay, now I'm writing here 1 divided by this value. The answer of this value is 2 is coming 2 times, so 2 raised to power 2. 5 is coming 3 times, so multiply by 5 raised to power 3. 7 is coming 4 times, so 7 is coming 4 times, so 7 raised to power 4. Okay, and I have to take the answer in the form of negative exponent, so I'm writing here 2. I'm going to remove this 1 divided by, so answer will come in the form of 2 raised to power minus 2 multiply with 5 raised to power minus 3 multiply with 7 raised to power minus 4. Clear? This is your first question. Here are 4 parts, so I have done all the parts. I have solved and I have explained you. So you have to go for the practice and then go for the written part in your notebook. Now come to the next question, that is question number 2. Find the values of the following. Okay, here are your 6 parts in this question. Okay, now I'm going to start question number 2. Find the value of the following. A part is 5 raised to power minus 8. 5 raised to power minus 8, it means it will go 1 upon 5 raised to power 8. Okay, in the previous question the answer was given, the question was in this form. Okay, and then you have to simplify in this form. Now the question is in the form of negative exponent, then now you have to write in the form of reciprocal. Okay, 5 raised to power minus 8, it means 1 upon 5 raised to power 8. Okay, I have told this thing so many times in the previous questions and examples also. 5 raised to power 8, it means 5, you have to multiply 5 up to 8 times. Okay, so answer will be, by multiplying the 5 by 8 times, answer will be 1 upon 390625. This is your answer. That's it. Okay, open the negative exponent, write in the form of division, and then how many times the exponent is there, multiply that value up to that times, and then compute it by multiplication, and the answer will be there. Clear? Now next B part is 17 raised to power minus 3. That means 1 upon 17 raised to power 3. Okay, so 1 upon 17 raised to power 3. So you have to open this 17 up to 3 times. Okay, now 1 upon multiply 17 up to 3 times, answer will be 4913. This is your answer. Clear, all of you? Okay, the next part is C part. I'm doing all the parts, okay, so that if you want to do practice, you can see once how ma'am has done, and then open your book or open your PDF where I've given all the full chapter. Okay, see the question, go for the written practice. Okay, and then go for the fair work. Okay, side by side you can check how the ma'am has done. You can check your steps with my steps. Okay, also you have to go for the practice of examples. Now the next part, C part, is 1 upon 8 raised to power minus 4. Okay, now we have to remove the negative exponent. Okay, so 1 upon 8 raised to power 5 minus 4. So this, when we remove this, this will go in the form of this negative exponent, when we open this negative exponent and we open the reciprocal form, this will go in this form 8 raised to power 4. Okay, because when the question is given you in the form of reciprocal, okay, and when we open the reciprocal, that value will go in the form of 8 raised to power that exponent, and the power is already in the form of negative, so it will go in the positive form. Okay, so 8 raised to power 4 means 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. You have to multiply 8 up to 4 times, so answer will be 4096. That is your answer. Okay, now question is, next D part is 10 raised to power minus 5. So it means when you remove the negative exponent, this will go in the form of division, 1 upon 10 raised to power 5. Okay, 1 upon 10 raised to power 10, sorry, 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 and multiplied by 10. You have to multiply 10 up to 5 times, so answer will be this, 1 upon 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, next question is 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 10, like same C part. Okay, it is in the form of division and the power is negative, so when we open it, the power will go in the form of positive, the power will become positive. Okay, so it will be equal to 2 raised to power 10, like the same C part I have done. Okay, so you have to multiply 2 up to 10 times, so answer will be 1024. That is your answer. Now next F part is 60 raised to power minus 2, that is equal to 1 upon 60 raised to power minus 2 means like the same D part we have done. Okay, it will go in the form of division and power will become positive. Okay, same D part. C part, E part is same, D part and F part is same. Okay, now it will be equal to 1 upon, you have to open 60 up to 2 times, multiply 60 up to 2 times, so it will be equal to 1 upon 3600. Clear? This is your second question. Okay, so we have done first question and second question of exercise 1.2 and we have discussed some laws. Okay, so your homework is you have to learn all the laws, you have to go for written practice, okay, for all the laws, and then do all these 5 examples in your practice notebooks, and then start your first and second question, okay, in your fair notebook. Write very neatly, use 2 pens, underline the work, okay, and go for the practice side by side, whatever we are doing in the lectures. Okay, till the time, bye bye, take care.